Okay, let's all stand, please. I invite you to stand, and I invite Andrea Lawson to come and lead us in singing a verse of the Battle Hymn of the Republic.
Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath stood. He has loosed his frightful lightning of his terror.